Welcome to CodCifer.com. If you are a registered user, kindly log in with your respective IDs. If you are a new user, kindly register to CodCifer.com and log in with your respective credentials. Once logged in, click on the menu icon and navigate to the dashboard. Using dashboard you can either edit an existing project or create a new project. In this tutorial we will be learning how to create a new project. So let's get started. To start with, click on New Project. As you can see we provide a Typo 3 framework XBase. Bootstrap 4 is the HTML framework, followed by jQuery as the JavaScript framework. Now, let's move on to the general settings. Here you will have to provide the details of the project. So I am giving the project name as Password Manager, the company name as Quebs and the namespace name or the vendor name. Moving ahead, provide the name of a developer. My developer here is Mr. Rayansh, and his email ID is rayansh@gmail.com. Talking about his profession, he is an UI developer. Once done, let's fill in the extension details. The name of my extension here is password_manager. After this, let's give the version of my extension, followed by the language. CodCifer also provides you Typo 3 specific options where you can mention its category. The categories are front-end plugins, back-end modules, miscellaneous, front-end, back-end, and services. You can select any one among the provided categories. Now provide the plugin name. Here I will give the password key as password_manager and the label 2 as password manager. In a project we can have either one or multiple plugins. So if there is more than one plugin, name it in the next line below the first plugin name. Here, I am giving another plugin key as password_rights. And the label is password rights again. And moving on, let's give the module name. Here I give it as password manager. Once done, click on proceed. The next step talks about the tables and fields that you can add to your database. Watch the next tutorial to know more about it. Thank you for watching the dashboard tutorial. Any feedbacks are welcomed and appreciated.